We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing Bradford White natural gas 50-gallon water heater. There's your serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and give them your contact information, serial number, and get your warranty going on this. First thing up top, we give you a new vent up to a piece of transite. Kind of tip it too far up, but up at the very top is a piece of transite going through a flashing, which is a bonnet style, and then a brand new piece of pipe from here all the way down to draft diverter. On this side we give you a brand new shutoff valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, so it's off, on, and then brass connector and Falcon stainless steel water line over to a brass extension. Hot side, no valve required, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to the brass extension. Relief valve comes with the unit, and this is just a drain down valve for temperature and or pressure relief. And so galvanized nipple here, otherwise if this was a water line we'd put brass in, but it's just a drain line, should never have water in it. Falcon stainless steel connector, full 3/4 inch inside diameter on these, so this is code. Down to a piece of CPVC, had galvanized pipe down low. We didn't have any galvanized pipe with us, so all they require is full 3/4 inch inside diameter, which this pipe does, and that's tied back in. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable straps, brand new gas valve, and then of course a brand new gas connector. Burner is lit. We have it set to hot, which is approximately 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend leaving it at hot. You can certainly play with it. There's all adults in the home. If you have any infants or elderly with thin skin, just be careful with that. As you can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water, so just be mindful of that. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.